Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert two images side by side in Google Sheets. So let's start. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. In this video, I will show that insert two images side by side. Now go into the insert one option. Now click for it, drawing option. Then choose from the image. Now click for the browse option. Now click for image. Open the file. That's it. Then show insert from image this image from the erase size. Then again image option. Now click for a browse option. Then open a file and find your image. Then choose from image. Now for click and open. Now recess from an image. That's it. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then we show insert two images side by side in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.